Understanding, in love, unraveling an emotional expression. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of emotions, particularly one that has inspired poets, artists, and dreamers throughout history. The phrase, in love. Have you ever wondered what exactly it means and how to use it? Well, you're in the right place. When someone says they are in love, they are expressing deep affection or passionate feelings towards someone else. It's more than just liking someone. It's about feeling a deep connection, an attraction, and often a desire to be with that person. For example, John is in love with Mary. She realized she was in love when she couldn't stop thinking about him. There's a subtle yet profound difference between saying you love someone and you are in love with someone. Love. This can refer to a general feeling of affection. We can love our friends, family, pets, or even things like food or a hobby. I love chocolate. She loves her brother. In love. This is a more specific and deeper romantic emotion, usually reserved for romantic relationships. They are in love and plan to get married next year. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly in sentences is another. Here are some examples. After their first date, he knew he was in love. It's clear to everyone that she's in love with him. They've been in love for years, and their bond seems unbreakable. Across various cultures, the idea of being in love might be expressed differently, but the underlying emotion remains universal. In English-speaking cultures, when someone admits they're in love, it often indicates a desire for commitment or to take the relationship to a more serious level. However, it's important to note that feelings of love are personal and can vary from one individual to another. Thank you for joining us on this journey exploring the phrase, in love. The English language, like many others, has beautiful ways to express our deepest emotions. We hope this video helps you not only in understanding the phrase but also in expressing your feelings when the time is right. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about expressing our human emotions and connections. Happy learning!